Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations, doing a modified bloom swipe today, and I have some gorgeous Colourarte pigments mixed up. This is Jasmine. Look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? The next one I have is called Snapdragon, probably one of my favorite Colourarte pigments. Look at that. They're just incredible, the shine you get from these pigments. If you're interested, go over to www.colourart.com and use my coupon code. It'll be linked in my description below, TSR0921, and save yourself 20%. But here is another color, and that is Oasis. Beautiful light blue, shimmery. The next one I have is Meadow, a beautiful metallic teal, light icy teal. Love it. The blues are my colors, you know that. Blues and greens. Next one I have is a Prizm pour, and this is actually a Colourarte acrylic paint with mica powders. So this is their older version, and they do have a new version out now, and they come in squeeze bottles, which makes it a lot easier to use. But this is called Golden Honey. Beautiful color. The next color I have is Malachite. Isn't this gorgeous? Just, oh gosh, look at that green. Beautiful. And then I'm using a, I'm showing you bottom. Then I'm going to be using a paint, and this is Modern Masters Sachet Red. That was a tongue twister. Sachet Red. So if you haven't guessed it, I'm going for a jewel tone bloom, modified bloom, which is actually inspired by Sharmin Kahn, her florals with the beautiful bouquets. So I'm kind of going for that today. I'm using a 10 by 10 inch canvas, and I have my new spinner here. I will link it below. It is made by an artist that I follow on Instagram, Winterstrom. If you're unfamiliar with her, go check her out. She does some awesome blooms and spins and swipes. All right, so I'm using just a white base today, and it's Gliden house paint mixed with a little floetrol because I don't like it to be too sticky and thick. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and if you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. And yeah, stay tuned till the end to see the finished product. It turned out gorgeous and sparkly, and I was really happy with it. All right, guys, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you it's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater and so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. This pain is not of the ordinary. Every time that I breathe, I can feel your worry. So I have to take my love and write a different story. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. Oh, heavy road, go easy on me now, and my love will shine.